This tutorial guides you through submitting a support request using the OneSource Technology Group platform. You will learn how to provide necessary details and send your issue for assistance. Click Request Support to begin submitting your support request on the OneSource Technology Group homepage. Click Company Name to specify your organization in the support form. Enter your company name in the provided field to identify your organization. Enter your first and last name to help the support team identify you. Enter your email address to receive updates about your support request. Enter your phone number so the support team can contact you if needed. Click the option to choose either yes or no as required in the form. Click Brief Summary of Issue to provide a concise description of your problem. This is a sample summary. We are using Outlook does not open. Please enter a summary of the issue you are experiencing. Next, enter a more detailed description of the issue you are having. Our example is, when I click on Outlook icon, it just spins. Click Acceptance to acknowledge the terms and conditions for submitting your request. Click Send to submit your support request to the OneSource Technology Group team for assistance. You have successfully submitted a detailed support request through the OneSource Technology Group platform, including your contact information and issue description. Next, monitor your email for updates or click to proceed with Remote SOS for direct assistance.